The emphasis on standardized testing and high-stakes assessment in Delhi government schools puts teachers in a tough position to choose between the best practices and active learning in their classes and the kill and drill methods to get through a large, complex syllabus. However, despite this, many teachers are choosing to engage the most educationally vulnerable students by using active learning methods. The two most common active learning methods being implemented in secondary classrooms are versions of storytelling and also inquiry-focused methods. Storytelling has a long history in Indian culture as well as in the Hindu faith, and inquiry has been a shift focused on innovation and having students think critically and outside of the box. When secondary teachers were asked about the methods that they use to engage students in learning, especially those who are educationally vulnerable, they frequently mentioned storytelling, role-playing, and creative writing. These have long traditions within the Indian culture, and students are familiar with the artistic aspect to each of these. They're able to use their knowledge and their skills to show what they know in a fun and interesting way, and this provides an opportunity for them to collaborate with classmates and for them to feel ownership over their own learning. I had the opportunity to attend a celebration of an e-magazine launch. Over 30 Delhi government high schools participated in creating magazines that featured creative writing examples from their students. The focus of this edition was on education, how education builds resilience, how students grow within the course of their education, and the importance of education for not just students, but for society as well. This is a girls section, so many of the pieces featured empowerment and improving the status of females within Indian society. And the girls were exceptionally proud to share their work. Again, creative writing is a great way for them to express their learned English vocabulary as well as their Hindi vocabulary and sentence structure and grammar and all the other fun things that come with language. There is also a shift in student expectations. Instead of expecting them to memorize a broad amount of facts, there's an expectation that they will dive deep into concepts and master them. Delhi government secondary teachers are being encouraged to use the 5E model of instruction to engage students in their learning. This model is a research-based method for planning lessons that engage students in conceptual processing and mastery. Originally, it was created for a biological sciences curriculum by Roger Bybee, but it can be applied across all curricular contents. Active learning can be difficult to implement in government schools, especially with class sizes of sometimes more than 50 students and limited amount of resources, supplies, and materials. However, teachers acknowledge the need for this to happen. With not interested in studies being a leading reason for dropout in secondary school, teachers are working to change the perception that students have of their role in the classroom.